All right, this is a 2014 VW or Volkswagen Passat. Is a B7 generation, or specifically, like I said, it's a 2014 year. I'm going to show you guys how to reset the maintenance and also the oil with two different things, and there's a way to reset them both. So the first thing you want to do is turn off the vehicle, turn it completely off. You take out the key, is the vehicle won't recognize as a key in the ignition. There'll be no power. So you want to put the key in and then push this right button here at the right corner. Hold it down while turning the ignition to the on switch. But don't crank the motor, just turn it to the on switch before you crank over the ignition. So here I'm gonna hold this button with my phone hand, and I'm gonna turn the key to the on position before starting the engine. So gonna hold it, turn it to third position, as you see here, and as soon as you do that, come over to the left corner and push that left button. All right, now that should reset the oil service, and then we're going to do the maintenance. First, let's check the oil. Let's start the car. Let's check the oil maintenance. It should be at 10,000 miles. So you push this. First, it adjusts the time. You keep pushing it. See, 10,000 miles for the oil. So we just reset it. Hold that with the key in the ignition at the off position, and then turn it to the on position. And then once you do that, come over to the left real quick and push that button, hold it down to reset the oil service interval. Now we're going to do the maintenance, which is different. I will show you. So we did the oil. Here's the maintenance. It's at 18,600. So I'm going to reset it. So the way you reset the maintenance, again, turn off the vehicle, put the key in. So there's electricity, there's power. The car recognizes, the computer recognizes there's key in the ignition. Now this is a little bit different. So the vehicle's off, but this time you're going to turn on your hazard light. Leave your hazard on. The key is in the off position. Now you're going to hold this left button just like you did with the oil, and then turn the key to the on position, and then come back over to the left corner here and then hold that button. Let go of the right button and then hold the left button. That will reset your maintenance interval, not the oil interval, the maintenance interval. So here we go. I'm gonna hold the right button with the phone hand. Here I am, turning the key to the on position quickly. Switching my hand over to the left, hold it. All right, that's off. Turn the key off. Now let's see if that maintenance resets. See, the maintenance reset at 20,100 miles. It was at 18,600, something like that. Now I reset it to 20,000. So that's the oil. The first one we did was the oil. Second one is the maintenance interval. And that is how you reset it, using the method that I showed you to reset the service or interval light warning if you have a 2014 VW Passat, a B7 generation, 2014 year. All right, I hope you learned something. Take care and God bless.